Okay, so the website builder is probably like the biggest thing I'll be working with.
Yep.
Um, if I need help, there's a lot of different functions here, so I can think chat with somebody. Hmm. There was, oh no, that's connect. Okay. So this is
Right.
just the training. Okay.
Yep.
Um, so I think you recommended that I complete this first tab.
Yeah. And also Builderall University Live. That's the Monday 10 a.m.
Got it.
question and answer stuff.
Okay.
And she usually only has a handful of people on. So if you have questions, she will get to you.
It's Mondays at 10 a.m. Eastern.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then there's a bunch of stuff here. So I can chat. I think there's like certain hours you can chat.
Yep. Sort of
Um,
9 to 5, Monday through Friday.
nine to
And I
five.
did put in a ticket on your behalf to figure out why we couldn't get to the email and finish that up. And they replied with a picture like, go here. And then it's really clear. And so I did, and it
Okay.
worked. And that's why
Okay.
you could get email into email now, but you shouldn't have to struggle with the onboarding stuff.
Thank you for doing that for me. So, okay, so if I need help and I can't solve it, I can do the ticket. If I can't chat with someone, um,
I would recommend you ignore the success coach for now.
yeah, sounds good. All right.
And the
Um,
events calendar under help
oh, I totally forgot about
um,
that.
also has links to things that are happening, like this
Um,
morning's 10 a.m. thing.
mm-hmm. Okay, great. Thank you for that reminder.
Mhm.
Okay, so I think that's most of the things I need to know at the top. Is that
Yes,
right?
but go beyond associates to the book.
Okay.
And yeah, click on that.
Oh, this
So
is like the frequently asked questions or?
this is like Wikipedia for Builderall.
Okay, the book. Okay, that makes sense. I can remember that.
Okay. Next to that is a camera. If you wanted to, we could be using that camera for a quick meeting right now.
Okay.
If you just want to meet with one other person, this is really quick and dirty and it works just fine. If you're complicated, it falls all apart.
Is it for other people who use Builderall? Like, what is
No,
this?
no. Oh, click on it and see what happens.
It's probably being slow because my internet is a bit slow. Oh,
Or because we're already on a streaming service.
yeah.
But
Okay.
what would happen here is you would see
Yep.
just what, oh, there we go. Let's see.
So it's basically Zoom.
Yes. And then the invite participant tab in green on the left lets you contact whoever you want to meet with.
Is it, is there a time limit to the meetings?
No, there's no time limit. So if you have, I mean, you have professional Zoom, but you know, the 40-minute limit on others.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay.
okay, next to the camera
Yes.
is the same thing as under Connect.
Yep. Okay.
And next to that is notifications, and there would be a red dot if you have a notification. So you would have had one when they answered my query about the email stuff.
Got it.
And then beyond that is all your basic information.
What's
Um,
the I again? I think the little, oh, is that not an I? Uh,
no, I don't know what
W?
that is. It looks like a closed eye. Can you click on it?
Yeah. Oh, now it's open.
Okay. Oh,
Oh,
it's to hide your email.
oh, that's all it is. Got it. Okay.
Yeah. Um,
Um, I just want to real quick take a look here. Okay. Okay. All right. Not a whole lot.
No.
Okay.
Um,
Um,
And
um, I don't really remember
they'll
this.
click on those, they'll open up. I think. And the,
Oh, it's
We're not.
right. Okay. So that's what that is.
yeah,
All right. Wait, was that the get started that I
yeah,
just clicked?
that was get started.
All right. I don't need to do anything here because we've set this up, right?
Yes.
And I don't need this.
Are you familiar with Bitly?
Italy?
Bitly?
No.
Okay. It's so I use bit.ly/chat with Chip
Yeah.
instead of a really long, what's called a
That's what
slug.
this is. Okay.
But Builderall has its own shorteners.
Okay.
You don't have a team,
And this is the,
the customer relations manager,
oh, okay.
so that if you set it up properly, it will track people who come to your website and what they do. Yeah.
Where would I start with setting that up? This doesn't look like it was the right thing that I,
No. Go down to build. Well, all right. Yeah, no, you can click CRM and see what you get.
it seems to lead to the wrong thing when I click
Yeah,
on that.
maybe because you haven't paid enough money to have access to the CRM.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. That makes sense. So then build, let's see. Okay. So I'm mostly gonna be worrying about this for right now.
Yep.
I just want to see if this takes me to my website. Yeah, it does. Okay. Awesome. Could we just review what the website, the little elements?
Mm-hmm.
My websites. Let's go here.
Yeah, both of those I think should have said unpublished.
Where would it say that?
In the previous screen.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, this
Okay, so go to the three dots on that one.
unpublished.
Unpublished.
Boom. Okay,
But
great.
mostly
So,
my feeling is that you can publish stuff because who's going to know to go looking?
yeah, I get it. It
But
will just give me a little bit of anxiety.
all right, well then, anyway, you can totally create and tweak and adjust. Well, it's unpublished.
Yeah. Okay. So, okay, panels is where things go. So at first I need a
Mhm.
panel to put elements on.
Yes, and you can have as many panels as you want. There is some advantage to giving them different background colors, even if you're just alternating, because
Mhm.
if you decide you want to move them around, there's a nifty way to do that, but it shows you little tiny versions. And if they're all white, then you can't tell which is which.
So is that over here?
Yeah.
That's an element. So I need to
So,
select the panel.
well, yep. Scroll down just a touch.
Okay. Oh, this?
Yeah. No. In the upper left-hand corner, there's a mini toolbar. And I wonder if you can make that more visible. You can see the four blue
This?
things and a red thing. Yeah. So it's,
There we go. That's the most visible it can be.
okay. So what you're looking at there, as you can tell from the right-hand side, is the panel. So if you want to change the color of that panel that you're on right now, you could click the pencil and it would give you what you're already looking at on the right.
Okay. So would you do a border color or a back
Background setting.
this?
Yep.
Okay. Ah, boom. Okay.
And you can change the transparency on that also. Do you see how to do that?
Yes.
So that black thing, yeah, you drag.
Beautiful. Okay. So let's say I want to add a panel.
Do you want to save what you just did?
Yes, I do. Save.
Dave is your friend. No, up top right corner.
Oh, this. Okay.
Yeah.
Not now. All right. So add
Yep.
panel,
Yep.
blank panel.
Okay.
I am a text box. Okay, so now I also have an element inside the panel,
Terrific. Yep.
but maybe I first change the color. Oh, it's down here. Um, Background color. Let's do blue. And let's make. Okay, I can add panels now.
Good.
I guess
And
that's,
remember to save it if you want it to stay there.
thank you. Okay, so that's my big thing is remembering to save up here.
Yep.
So I'm gonna add an element. Oh, it's alphabetical, I'm remembering, I think.
Yep.
Where's image?
It's there. There.
Ah, okay. Okay, there was a difference. I think this was like a totally blank thing, and these are,
Well, the one that you just put on the panel,
yeah.
I think the difference with that is you can change its transparency. And
Oh,
the other images, which are really all the same, you can't change the transparency. So typically you'll be using the mountains and not
oh,
this one.
okay. So how would I change? Oh, opacity.
Maybe you have to save before it shows up.
I keep wanting to save it in the wrong place. That did not change the opacity though.
No, maybe you need to choose the image you want first.
I think I did.
You
It
want an image of a computer?
oh,
You can, you might.
right. Well, it didn't want to change that one. So let me try a different one. Wait, save element. Okay. Now I'm a little confused.
Okay. Why don't you delete or hide that one?
Oh, what? I guess I made two of them.
It's possible.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Pick one of the mountains. Click on your blue panel first.
oh, okay, blue panel. Now add
Good.
Elements.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay. So now I can. Where do I get the image?
On the way, on the right, the right, where it says change
Change
image.
image. Okay. This is what happens. I like when I can't find something, my brain freaks out and then it can't look, you know?
Oh, interesting.
It's like, oh no. But
Yeah.
then
It's
it's
2 inches to the right.
right. But it's like all
No.
okay. Let's try this. Okay, so let's say I want an image that's not here. That means that no, I would have to upload. Hold on a sec. Oh, okay. Okay. Upload image. No. Up new upload.
There you go.
Okay, I saw that one though.
Good for you.
Uh, all right. So let's say it's this one. Okay, so now I have this image and I apply it and it's there.
Yes.
Look, it says you should be able to change opacity on this one.
Ooh, okay.
Yes. Save.
Excellent. In that
Wow.
case, I don't know what the difference is.
All right. Okay, so I think the only thing now is like, how do I move things? Okay, like that. It's easy.
Yeah. One of the differences between Builderall and like everybody else is that you can move things exactly where you want them, and it doesn't push other things around.
This is great. I think I can do these things pretty well. Is there anything else that I should know about elements or?
Yeah, you should add a button,
Okay.
because buttons take people all sorts of places.
Okay. So, okay.
And they're basically all the same. So it just saves you a little time if you find a color you like.
Okay. Because you can change everything.
Yep.
So, um, text. So where do I write the text? Oh, it's right here. There.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So sign up. Okay.
You might want to make that a little larger.
The text.
Yep.
Okay, let's go up to like 20.
I don't know, whatever you like,
I
because
don't know.
it's happening while you're clicking, it's happening.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Yeah.
Okay, that now it's too
Good.
big.
Okay. Of course, you can make the whole button larger too.
Right. Oh my God. Endless choices.
Well, yes.
But okay, but like now I see how like I feel like I got this a little bit.
Something that's very common
Mhm,
is to change the hover colors. So that if somebody's actually going to push that button,
mhm.
it might change to yellow on black instead of black on yellow.
Okay.
If
So
you scroll down further, you'll have those options available. Hover effect.
I just need to change the color now.
Right. No, not to gradient is going to complicate things.
Oh,
Gradient.
sorry. Yeah, got it.
So one's right. So this you might change to something, I mean, whatever you want.
Well, not blue because that's in. I I don't want to overthink it, but that's what I'm doing.
Well, if you want to not overthink it, change the yellow to black, and then the black to yellow.
Okay. Yeah. Or let's try this though, just because I want to see what it looks like.
Okay. Now you're not going to be able to see it in the editor. Try preview next to the save button and see if that works.
Okay.
Preview is not entirely reliable, as you can see.
No.
And the other thing about preview is if you're really looking at it for a while, then you start to make changes and none of them will take because you've left the editor and you're still in preview. You have to be in the editor to edit.
Where do I?
I think you should save. And
So that didn't, okay, so
now,
now,
I mean, if you save and publish, then I know it works. But I don't know if that undoes the publish thing that we fussed with before. So, but try it. Try save
and
and,
public.
and publish. And then you'll have a chance to take a look. Go to website.
Yay.
Here you go.
Okay, but it's not gonna go anywhere because I haven't given it a place to go.
Exactly.
All right,
So back to the editor.
right.
Close. Yeah, just close, right?
How do I exit the preview?
You did, I think.
Oh, okay, it's just, okay, I see. So now I'm back in the editor.
Yes. And you can see because the things get little boxes around them. So go back to the button.
Button?
Yep. And click the link to make it go somewhere.
Cool, okay, so I would just put that in here and there's this, okay,
So are you in your playground right now?
yes.
You are, aren't you? So why don't you put in the URL of your website,
Okay.
which might not work because it's unpublished. Or
Okay,
put in Google.
okay. Do I need to do
I
www?
think so. It's not the W, you don't need the W's, but you might need the HTTPS
Oh, okay,
:// Yeah.
okay. Open in a new tab. Okay,
And just to keep you confused, the select button is basically save and it's not, they've moved it to the bottom instead of the top.
so
You were
now I hit save
confused.
again.
No, well, it never hurts to save. Save is your friend.
Okay, but I'm not
Um,
sure what I'm doing right now.
Okay. I was just fetching. Go to the link again. And once you've made your choice, if you look in the top upper right-hand corner to save your choice, there's nothing there.
Uh-huh.
In fact, you have to scroll down to lock in your choice, which is a flaw in design as far as I'm concerned.
But you mean this select, right?
Yeah. And they don't even call it save. They call it select, but it's a
Yeah.
save button. And while we're there, oops.
Sorry. All right, let me try that again.
Okay.
Okay.
Take a look on the left. It says web, page, auto tags, pop-up, anchor. If your website had several pages, then when you click on the word page, you would see each of those pages with a little circle next to it. And you could choose which one you want that button to send people to.
Oh, okay. So like if I wanted to send them here,
Yep.
and then I would just do select.
Yep.
All right, this one I don't know if I'll remember, but
Oh, don't worry about that stuff. The thing you should think about is target, because you need to decide whether you want people who click the button to have what they're looking at replaced by the thing you're linked to, or to just open up a new tab. And then where they were is still next door.
Okay. Gotcha, gotcha. Yeah,
So on your website, the legal pages that are in the footer are all currently marked open in a new tab. Because what do you want? You want people basically to stay on your website, not to have those legal pages become the primary focus.
right. I think my friend who does marketing recommended that I just do like one long site with a bunch
Mhm.
of panels.
In that case, underneath page auto tags pop-up is anchor.
Mm-hmm.
Because what an anchor will do is jump you down to wherever you might want to be.
Yes, yes, yes. I think she said I will have a list of anchors at the top and you click and then it jumps you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Awesome.
So every time you are working with a panel, if you scroll down far enough, you'll get the opportunity to say, yes, I want an anchor here, and I'm going to call it blah, blah, blah. And then,
I don't get that. Can
okay,
you?
then let's go back to a panel.
Okay.
Okay, so you're on the blue panel.
Yes.
On the right-hand side, scroll down. Uh, I think you went past it, but keep going.
Mm. Anchor.
Yep. So click active
Okay.
and then give it a name.
Okay. Like about me.
Yep.
Why is okay.
It doesn't like spaces.
So what does that mean? I just
That means that when you are setting up your button and click on anchors, you will see about me as a choice.
but can I so it's just not gonna let me like
So
I
you should save, you should call it something and then save it. And that will be in place for when you're ready to use it.
but it won't let me do the space. So
You don't need to. This is all internal. No one's ever going to see this but you.
oh okay, okay, got it, okay. All right, so then
You know what? Why don't you call this blue panel?
okay, and then
And
save up here
save
or
as your friend. Save
yeah.
up there. Now go to your green panel
Mhm.
um, and make a button, which you could do by cloning the yellow button and dragging the clone up onto the green panel.
Let's see, I'm not sure how to clone. So I just clicked it. Okay, so
Yeah.
now boom. Okay. So
So now you can click on this button and the link, on the mini toolbar, click on the link. Yep, set link. And click on anchor. Ooh, you see page, home, anchor name, blue panel.
yeah. Uh-huh.
Click, choose that. And save again, just cause. Try publishing.
Okay. Whoa.
Right? But if you had a whole bunch of panels, it would drop down to it.
Yep. Okay. that's gonna probably take a little bit of practice to remember. That was a
Oh,
little,
it'll take practice. Yeah.
yeah,
And if you're really not sure that the book, the knowledge base,
yeah,
would probably give you enough information quickly enough.
great, great, great. Yeah. Okay, so it's once I click on this, it's this whole long menu and the anchor stuff is at the bottom.
Yep.
It's, where did it go?
There somewhere.
It like disappeared. Feel like it was very near the bottom and now
Oh,
it's,
because anchors are for panels and you're currently looking at buttons.
thank you. Okay, so this is the sort of stuff that would keep me busy for
And
hours.
that's a very common mistake. Can you see? I mean, hands off the keyboard. Can you
Yeah.
see? Oh,
I
to
just clicked it.
yeah.
Sorry, clicked it
Go-
before you said that, but here. Okay, so now I clicked
And
that.
see how it says button above the menu toolbar?
I have to scroll up.
No, don't do anything. Just
Oh, no,
listen.
don't do anything. Okay.
Do you see where it says
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Like the tiny little words. Yes, yes, yes.
yes? That
Okay.
means that what you're looking at on the right is about a button.
Yes. Okay. So, and then if I click here,
It'll
it
be
says image. So over here, it's about image. And
yes.
here, where's the, oh, okay, it's here and I can't
And if
see.
you look at the right, anchor
Oh, it does say anchor.
is
Yes.
there
Yes.
because
Okay.
the only thing you can anchor is a panel.
Mm-hmm. Great. Okay.
And great.
Yeah, I think I'm getting it. Maybe maybe this is enough because I don't know if I'll remember anything else you tell me now.
Okay. Um, I'll try to.
Unless unless there's something really important I need to know.
Well, what do you want to do next?
I mean, what I would like to do is probably just start putting some text and like maybe like divide the panels into like an about me panel and like a,
Oh, so maybe we should fuss with menu.
okay,
Yeah, let's do add the element of menu.
okay, yes. Oh no, that's a button. Okay. Big menu or
No, just regular menu.
regular menu, okay.
You're not ready for big menu.
No, I'm really not.
Okay,
Okay.
pick one. I like the purple one personally, but these are just design choices.
Okay. So now
Okay.
it can go here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay. Now you see that some of them have submenus and some of them don't.
Yeah.
You might or might not want submenus. What's different on the mini menu here is the gear. Oops. Click on the menu,
Yep. The
click on
geek
the gear.
this.
Yep. So there are the menu items that you just saw.
Uh-huh.
The pencil will let you give it a different name.
Got it. Okay.
The link will let you link it to the anchors for all the panels you have created that you might want to have it drop down to, or to go elsewhere. The up
So
and down,
so I would just go to here and I would mark
yep.
the, okay.
The up and down carrots, rearrange which one's on top, or
Okay.
if you need more of them, you have the plus item blue button.
Yes. Okay.
And try clicking the blue pencil for projects.
Okay.
Oh, submenus, which you can get rid of with the red trash can,
Mhm,
or you can add more submenus with the plus submenu button,
mhm.
and you can name them whatever you want. Click the blue pencil for any of those. And you'll notice you also have the option to add an icon.
Mhm. Okay.
So these are not the most outstanding icons ever, but they're there. You can search for something like arrow or,
Mhm.
and then search.
Interesting associations.
Yeah, like the first one there.
Yeah, that's I, I'm fascinated. I'm guessing this is AI that is trying
Maybe
to.
no, I think it comes from the fact that the whole thing started in Brazil and maybe things are called something different that connects.
Oh my goodness.
You'll
Okay.
see stuff in Portuguese every now and then.
Okay. All right. Very cool. So I can add an icon to each of the,
Hmm.
or even like to the, oh
Yeah,
no, this is adding to the projects.
yep,
And then I could add an icon to the sub menu inside. Okay.
right.
Cool. Okay, this is perfect. So I'm gonna play with this and the anchors. I'll make more panels.
Hmm.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then I'll link to the different panels and I'll impress the heck out of my friend.
There you go. What you need to do before you do anything else?
Save.
Yes. Otherwise, your menu would have gone away.
Fun. Okay. How did we make this happen?
Oh, that's
This doesn't
interesting.
jump. This jumps. This doesn't.
Maybe I was mistaken thinking that it went transparent and the others didn't. And in fact, this is the one that
Oh.
comes up, pops out at you.
Ooh, I like.
Although even the regular image can be animated. It can do all sorts of things.
Oh, okay.
It can slide in or appear or quiver. I mean, that's definitely something else to play with.
Okay.
The button similarly, you can add, I like to add a shadow just to the right and down and make and blur the shadow so it seems to come forward.
Mm,
You can also make it that if you hover over it, it jiggles or whatever. Yeah, slide
interesting.
down to the options for button near the bottom.
Oh, here.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. Oh, shadow.
right, and under shadows animation. But
Interesting.
so for shadow, take the horizontal
Uh-huh.
and move it just a tick to the right. That's a lot.
Oh,
That's
oh,
a,
I see. I see.
right. And same thing with the vertical. No, move it a little more than that.
No, I can't do middle ground. I can only do like too little or too much.
Okay, well then do too much.
Okay. Okay. All right. I think that's a little better. I don't know. Okay. Let's try this way. Okay.
And now blur a bit.
Blur. Okay. Oh, nice. It looks
Right?
so much better blurred.
Yeah, it does. And
weird,
of course, you can change the color of that shadow. So if you wanted to make it a different,
just
different
totally
yellow.
ridiculous.
Well, yes, you can do that too. There you go. Well, that's fun.
I think that's what I have to do to make it fun for myself, is just make
Okay.
it as easy as possible.
When you're playing,
Mhm.
going to the extremes is very helpful.
Great, because that's my instinct. All right, so I save that. And I just keep remembering to save all the time.
Yep.
Uh, all right.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. I feel good about starting to play. And then like I've got all these resources to when I need to know more stuff.
Okay.
There's a lot for me. So, and
Let
the,
me send you to two other places. Open a new tab for the internet and go to techtutor.help,
tech tutor.
TECH.
Okay. Oh, there you are. It's you.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Awesome. I'm gonna I'm gonna keep this open so I can like see what a website looks like.
Um, and if you try to leave, take your cursor away. I think you actually did that already, so maybe it won't. Yeah. Here, refresh that.
Okay.
Okay, bring your cursor down to center and now take it up, away. Oh, stop for a moment. Bottom left-hand corner, I
Uh-huh.
have added my ADA options. So click on that and see what happens. But I was going to say that this short guide is helpful. You should do that.
Oh, yes. Got it. Okay.
And it will lead you to another page that offers you three of these handouts, one about the basics of software, one about the basics of marketing, um, one about something else. And then you get to choosing purchasing time working with me.
Okay.
So the ADA thing, um, if you have ADHD
Uh-huh.
or are blind or deaf, it gives you modifications to what you're going to see.
Um, wow. Cool. This would be helpful for me. I don't know if I have ADD, but how cool is this?
Right.
Huh.
So it just highlights what you need to be looking at now and sort of hides everything else.
Wow. Cool. So what, wait, do I click something next? Do I click there?
No, actually, you would go to your, did you put in your email?
Yes.
So you would go to your email and find the email waiting for you that says subscribe, confirm email.
Okay. Um, yeah, I gave my regular email. I maybe
Okay.
could have given the email, but
Yeah.
yep, yep. Please click here. Mhm. There you are. So are you recommending these three things?
I am. Yes.
Great. Okay, I'll get them. Thank you.
And it gives you a chance to see just how the super checkout works.
Okay, sounds good. Yay.
Good.
I wish and I got my wish. Okay. Is that
Let's scroll down a bit on that.
right?
And now if you try to leave because you don't want to spend that amount of money,
Uh-huh.
so
Oh, nice. Very cool. Oh, do you do this every month, twice a month?
yeah,
Very cool. All right.
okay. Well, that was a productive hour, I think.
Yes, thank you so much. I feel so much better about being able to like just go in there and play.
Play, 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 play. Yeah. Okay.
Right. I will email you or text you when there's progress so I can show it off.
Good. I'd love to see that.
Awesome. All right. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Yep. Be well. Talk to you later.
Okay, you too.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.